What are the Geneva Conventions, rules for detention in armed conflict? Imagine being caught in a situation where your freedom is taken away during a war. What protections do you have? How are detainees treated? These questions are at the heart of what the Geneva Conventions set out to do. The Geneva Conventions are a set of international rules designed to protect people during war. They cover many aspects, but their rules for detention are especially important. These rules make sure that anyone captured during a conflict is treated with respect and dignity. They mainly focus on prisoners of war and civilians who are detained. In international armed conflicts, which happen between countries, prisoners of war are people who are fighting for their side and are captured by the enemy. These prisoners have specific rights under the Third Geneva Convention. They must be treated humanely at all times. This means no torture, cruel treatment, or harmful experiments. They should be kept in conditions that protect their health and dignity. They need enough food, clean clothing, shelter, and access to medical care. Detainees must be told why they are being held, and in a language they understand. If there is doubt about their status, a quick tribunal must decide if they are prisoners of war or civilians. The detention facilities should be away from active fighting zones to keep detainees safe. They should also be allowed to communicate with their families through letters or cards. The rules also say that detainees cannot be forced to accept parole or releases if they do not want to. If they are released, it must be done safely and with respect. Any disciplinary actions or criminal charges must follow fair trial rules. Detainees should not be punished for things they did not do. In non-international conflicts, where fighting happens within a country, the rules are a bit different. The Third Geneva Convention does not apply fully, so detainees are treated more like civilians. They must be detained only if there is a real security reason. Their detention must be reviewed regularly, and they cannot be held indefinitely without a trial or judicial process. Throughout all these rules, the main goal is clear: treat detainees humanely. They should not be tortured or degraded in any way. Detention must be lawful, necessary, and overseen by authorities. These rules help protect the rights of people caught in war and ensure their treatment remains fair and respectful, even in difficult times.